Understanding Salon Management, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and context of the phrases salon management. This is a term commonly used in the business world, particularly in the beauty and wellness industry. Whether you're interested in the business side of beauty salons or just curious about English phrases used in professional settings, this video will help you understand what salon management involves. Before diving into salon management, let's first understand what a salon is. A salon is a business that offers services related to beauty and personal care. This can include hair cutting and styling, nail care, skincare, and more. Salons can range from small, local businesses to large, luxurious establishments. The primary goal of a salon is to provide beauty services that make customers feel good about themselves. Salon management refers to overseeing and running a salon business. This involves a variety of tasks such as hiring and training staff, finding skilled professionals like hairstylists, beauticians, and nail technicians, and training them to meet the salon's standards. Customer service, ensuring customers are satisfied with the services and have a pleasant experience. Financial management, handling the salon's finances, including budgeting, pricing, and managing expenses. Marketing and promotion, creating strategies to attract new customers and retain existing ones, possibly through advertising and special offers. Maintaining salon standards, ensuring the salon is clean, safe, and follows health regulations. Successful salon management requires a specific set of skills: leadership and team management, being able to lead and motivate a team. Communication, effectively communicating with staff and customers. Organizational abilities, keeping track of appointments, staff schedules, and inventory. Business acumen, understanding how to make a salon profitable and sustainable. Problem-solving skills, being able to quickly address any issues that arise. Good salon management is crucial because it ensures customer satisfaction and loyalty, maintains a positive work environment for staff, keeps the business financially healthy and growing, helps the salon stand out in a competitive market. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of salon management and why it's so important in the beauty industry. Remember, effective salon management is about much more than just haircuts and manicures. It's about creating a successful business that makes people feel their best. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful English language learning content.